Good morning, friends. Welcome to another video. Today is Butch's birthday, and I thought that we would throw him a birthday party because I love that dog so much. Hey, Butch. It's your birthday today. Yeah, it's your birthday today. You're 4 today. You're such an old man. Yes, it's your birthday. It's gonna be the best birthday ever. Yes, best birthday. Happy birthday, Butch. I love you. How about no? Time to decorate the living room. I hope we have tape because I didn't buy any. And if we don't, things might get a little interesting. We don't have any tape, but we do have masking tape. I'm putting everything in boxes because he likes opening boxes. And when we cleaned out my grandma's house, she had probably 20 years of wrapping paper in her basement. So we're gonna be using some vintage Kermit the Frog wrapping paper. Stay, Butch. Stay. Stay. Happy birthday, buddy. Good boy.
Oh god, which one's first? Which one's first?
I know. That's the one with the bone in it. He loves opening boxes, which is cute until he's trying to open your Amazon packages.
Who taught him that?
I did.
I hope he's given up on that one.
Oh, he wants that one now.
Did he get it out? I don't think he did. Oh, he did. He got it out.
I think overstimulation. Okay. Get it. Get it. Oh, he found his ball. He's like, I'm done. That's all I want.
You done now?
Hey, look. There you go. And that's that. Butch's birthday is over. I can't believe my baby boy is 4 years old. He's so adorable. And I know it seems like a lot. I've, never really done all that for a pet until I've gotten Butch. But honestly, Butch has helped me through so much that he's way more than a dog to me. He's family, and I love him to death. And I just want to give him the best little puppy life he can possibly have because it's short and compared to our lives, and I have the means to do it, so he gets to have birthday treats. If you like today's video, hit that like button and let me know. And until next time, friends, bye.